Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to split PDF files online for free. Using BoldSign's Split PDF online tool, you can split PDFs at no cost, with no sign-up required, and your data stays secure within your browser. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the BoldSign Split PDF online page. The link is provided in the video description. Splitting PDFs is quick and easy, requiring just 3 simple steps. Upload your PDF files by dragging and dropping or clicking upload from your device. Split pages in seconds with speed and precision. When finally done, download to save your files instantly. Here is how it works. Drag and drop your PDF file or click to upload it from your device. Once uploaded, click the split tool between the pages to manually split the PDF. To split the document into a specific range of pages, go to the Split PDF section and set the interval using the plus and minus icons. When done, you can directly download to save the split pages as a zip file by clicking the Download as Zip button. Let me take you through other available options that can be used to customize the split documents. The resulting split pages will be displayed in the File Names section. You can also edit the file name for each file by clicking the Edit icon. Proceed to adjust each page as needed by hovering over the pages to access options like Rotate, Duplicate, Preview, or Delete. Additionally, you can reorder pages by dragging and dropping them into your desired positions. To add more PDF files, click the Add PDF button. Use the Reset button to restore all files to their original state. Choose your preferred display mode, grid or list. When finished, click Download as Zip to save your split PDFs as separate documents instantly. No watermarks, no limitations, and no license required, just a smooth, hassle-free experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.